This video will show you how to place a buy or sell order on the equity exchange markets. In the top left hand corner of the screen, left click Orders, then left click Stock Orders. In the box that appears, all of the details of the equity transaction you wish to execute is required. Let's open a past report and look at an example. If we scroll down, we will see new orders. Let's take oil search as an example and input all the details into the platform. The first step is to identify the stock code, which in this case is OSH. On the platform, type the stock code into the first box, and you will see oil search appears. Left click this option. The second step is to identify whether we are buying or selling the stock. This can be found under the direction column of the report. In this case, we are buying oil search. On the platform, left click the down arrow in the buy sell box and select buy. Then in the shares box, type in the number of shares you wish to buy or sell. This can be calculated using the risk management sheet provided in Member Toolbox. Refer to the videos and explanation of the risk management sheet on how to use that tool provided. In this example, we will simply type in 2000 shares. The next step is to determine what type of order it is. In the type box, which is under the buy sell box, click the down arrow and select stop. There are two types of orders that we will place. We will mostly be using either the stop order or market order. If the newsletter states a price under the entry column, as it does in this example, then left click stop. If the newsletter states at market under the entry column, then left click market. In this example, we will select stop. The next step is to input the entry price. This can be found under the entry column of the report, as can be seen here, and in this case, the entry price is $8.49. On the platform, we will insert that price accordingly. Then left click if done and left click place a related stop loss order. The next step is to input the exit price. This can be found under the stop loss column of the report, and in this case the stop loss is $8.09. On the platform, left click the price and insert the exit price as shown in the newsletter. Then left click place order. Then left click OK after reviewing the order, and a confirmation screen will appear. Then left click close. Under the open orders window, you will now see the order we just input. A helpful tip. In some cases, a company can be listed in more than one exchange. It is important that you trade the company and the exchange as mentioned in the report. Let's look at a quick example. Left click Orders and then Stock Orders. In the Select Stock field, type BHP and you will see that BHP comes up in several stock exchanges. XASX is the Australian Stock Exchange. NYS is the New York Stock Exchange. And XLON is the London Stock Exchange. Please select the option that corresponds with the report.